So let's talk about analytics. Analytics are the metrics, how well your videos are doing, how well your channel's doing. And you will get into analytics. You won't be able to help yourself. When you've posted that first video, you'll be dying to find out how well it's going. Analytics are great, but they can also be a bit of a hindrance. You can get tied up on it. I was terrible with this. I still get addicted to looking, especially in the first few days. You don't see, has anybody watched it? You love your video. You think everyone else should love it, but it takes time for it to get out there. YouTube doesn't know you, doesn't know your channel, doesn't really know what you're about yet. And the algorithm that you'll hear all about is just hunting for people to show your video to that may have the same interest as what you're talking about. And that takes time. Sometimes it can be real quick. Some videos do take off very, very quickly. They catch interest very quickly. Others don't. Others are slow burners. It takes months. And all of a sudden you think, oh, there's 500 views on that now. It's a slow, gradual lift. So don't get hung up on the analytics. Do have a look. It is interesting. And if your channel is a new channel, probably better than views is when you get your first subscriber. Your first subscriber is a real human that has listened to what you have to say. They liked, they resonated with it, and they're thinking, I want to hear more of that. I like what this person is saying. So they'll subscribe. They're waiting for your next one. They want to be notified when your next one comes up so they can hear more of that subject. So that's always the exciting thing when I think when I get subscribers. I think, yeah, that's good. It's great to see the analytics show that how long they're watching a video for, how many viewers you're getting, how fast those viewers are coming in. That's great, and you get more into that as you go down the line, and you'll find that it can be useful to know what types of videos are working. But the important thing is get that video out. Don't worry about the views. They will come when they come.